rightly priced development at the right location, and particularly mixed development are in great demand. Dairy farm residences is the much awaited very first mixed development within the dairy farm vicinity by United Engineers Limited, located at District 23. Being a mixed development, residents and their loved ones can enjoy a self-contained experience with their dream home, the best of nature and the convenience of amenities all in one development. With the 90% of the units facing the north-south directions, residents will enjoy the tranquility and breathtaking view of the Bukit Timah Hill Nature Reserve and the nearby landed housing clusters. The development is also within close proximity to Hillview MRT station and has good connectivity to various expressway, BKE and PIE, making traveling to the city and other parts of Singapore a breeze. Near to numerous preschools and within 1 kilometer away from renowned primary and secondary schools such as Assumption English School, and at the doorstep of the German European School. Dairy farm residences is indeed one of the promising investment choice for any homeowners or investors out there. Speak to any of our PropNex salespeople to discover more about the advantages of owning a mixed development.